Hey there and welcome. I'm going to teach you cell protection. So what is cell protection? When you are giving your file to someone else or you're sending it off to a group of people and you want them to only be able to either edit a few things or nothing at all, you can protect certain cells from being edited. So let me give you an example. Let's say I have some sort of form that I'm doing and I only want them to write their name in this cell, right? Let's say age. Even though I don't look at, let's say I'm 21. I'm not 21. So I only want them to do these. By default, everything already has like a locked format on it. It's just a question of activating it. So if I right click into these cells, all right, let's do this first one. And I go format cells. It's going to take me to this window here. Let me just bring it up a bit. Right. And the very last tab, you're going to see protection. Now you'll notice that this is already locked. Right, so if I turn this off, okay, then I'm going to go to the menu tab. I'm going to go review. I'm going to go into the changes section and I'm going to go into protect sheet. Right, and when I do this, it's going to say select locked cells, select unlocked cells. Right, and so if I apply a password, I'm just going to leave it blank. I go okay, I can't edit anything else, because I've activated that locking feature. So the age I can't even edit, but the thing that I unlocked, I can edit. I can change this to George. Okay. So then when you give it off to your friend or to your grandma, because you guys, exchange Excel spreadsheets a lot, you'll be able to protect certain aspects of your cells so that it has the behavior you want. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy and see you at the next video.